Welcome viewers to the Dragster Shop and Transmission. I haven't posted any videos in a while. I've been kind of busy. But here you see we have a... Gosh, why is it so close? There we go. 1991 GMC Vandura 3500. 8 lug. I guess we'll just call that 1-ton stuff. It's been sitting for I think the owner told me 13 years, 17 years. I don't remember now. But it has 248,000 miles on the clock. Whew. I've already jumped the gun on this one. I'm going to do a first start on it and clean it up. As you can see, it's got some rot all along this side over here. Yesterday I got it running with some 2+2. It's the only way I could keep it running. And then today I removed the fuel tank, and here's all that was left of the fuel pump. Rubber hose, an original clamp. It's big. I'm not going to touch it because I got that stuff all over my hands now. That used to be rubber hose. Ugh. And what I do, I touch it. So I had another pump, a good pump that's used, or at least it used to be good. It's been stored away for a couple of years, but I think it'll still be good. Remove the tank, like I said. There that is. Had to clean it out. But yeah, it's going to need tires on it. Started off, the owner is going to scrap this vehicle. He's just gotten to the point he doesn't need it anymore. And I was like, well, I'd like to have the transmission out of it because it's got a heavy duty transmission in it, overdrive. And but for some reason, I'm trying to clean it up and get it running. So, as you can see, I've been cleaning on it. You see, the whole thing looked like that. As you can see, I've been getting it brushed out. Probably ought to be using the pressure washer, but hey, why do anything the easy way, huh? Got this side cleaned up. So you can tell, still got quite a bit more to do. Pretty dirty. I don't know why I'm doing this. It's usually not my thing, but anyway, I don't have enough to do. I figure I'd just add something else. All right. Well, guys, that's going to do it for this video. I am going to show you how I'm scrubbing this thing clean. I've got a concoction of cleaners that I mixed together that works pretty well. And you just do this right here. I'd already soaked this with the cleaner that I made up. Yeah. Spray it a little bit more. It's drying out on me. These cleaners that I mixed together to clean off mildew, mold, whatever, algae, whatever you want to call it. Really, it's intended to use with the pressure washer, but like I said, we don't do anything easy. The easy way, anyway. And then we just keep scrubbing. It don't need to be cleaned several times. But you can see it's brushing right off, I should say. door. The reason I'm cleaning it up is because I'm working on this thing, and I hate to think that every time I rub up against this thing without thinking that I'm getting this green stuff all over me. So that's why I'm doing this. At least up front here where I'm doing the work, and around the back where so being that I've got to be in the front and the back to work on this vehicle, I end up cleaning the whole thing. So here we are. I know a lot of my videos I do the work and then I film the video and you don't get to see what I'm doing, or see me actually doing it anyway. This is if I can turn the water hose on by myself with one hand. Here we go. Got this type of spray nozzle. Use this kind of spray nozzle because we're on a well, and sometimes you don't always have the best pressure down here at the shop. And these little brass nozzles, they work really well. They help with the pressure. They don't give you more pressure, they just direct the pressure to make it probably more or less, it just appears like you have more pressure. So there it is. Wipe coming right off. Yep. Alright guys, I'm going to end this video here. Stay tuned for part 2. Hopefully tomorrow I can actually get the fuel pump in it and get it running. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you like this kind of content, hit that subscribe button to my channel. Check out my other videos. And hit that notification bell so you'll get notified next time I post a video. Like it, subscribe, like, and share. Alright, thanks for watching.